BTS, guess what that is? Disciple.
Die to self.
Morning everybody, it's Allan with Life to the Fullest, and I'm going to take you on a regular day. Okay guys, so it is not actually a regular day, it is actually the very first day of school at Ywam Redding, where we get all the DTS students that come. And so Elise and I, who I'm going to go pick up in a minute in the video, we're going to go and cook breakfast for all these students. So right now we just arrived at the church and we're going to start cooking breakfast for people. Hope they like pancakes.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Just finished cooking. We conquered the pancakes. Elizabeth, she's back. This is staff meeting. So these guys are outreach leading. This is Adam, my little brother. Yep. But we just finished operations meeting. He's in operations, he's leading it. So, Cisco guys here. Basically that is a company that delivers food for the base. Guys, got a whole bunch of chemicals so we can wash dishes. So my job here is to feed students and to feed everybody else because I have a background in cooking and I'm good at it. At least that's what people tell me.
Run.
Okay, so yes, we just got in the kitchen and
what are they doing out there? They're looking all spiritual and stuff. We need help with catching.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'll cut tomatoes.
So this is the beginning of the setup process. Because he was, what did you call it?
Meal prepping.
Oh, so that means you're no longer eating at the base.
Choose not to.
I made this.
Mission, because we're in missions.
Down to the finance department. This is the finance department. It's Russian Jake. So you've seen Sultan before play our cover, remember?
Abba?
Yes.
I belong to you.
He does.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
He does.
When I thought about seeing you, you knew where I left me. You reintroduced me to your love. Picked up on my piece, put me back together. You're the defender of my heart. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Sing me so much better, Yahweh, Yahweh.
Oh, no one is above washing dishes. And we're getting it. Students, you're worth it. Jesus is worth it, yes. We're cooking some Mexican food and you will see some of the process. This is where the magic happens. Last video of the night. Sorry. Woo! There's a school leader. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It was a lot of fun to make this video. This was just kind of like a brief little overview of like what happens in my life in the kitchen at Ywam Redding. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe, hit the like button, all that stuff, whatever you guys want to do. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day and God bless.